You have to be it to manifest it. That's right, you have to be it to manifest it. You don't manifest things in your reality by wishing for something or by forcing something to happen in your external reality. You also don't manifest things by hoping for something or trying to get something. No. You manifest things in your reality by becoming what you want to be on an inner level, on an energetic level, on a vibrational level, on a mindset level, on a self-concept level. You manifest things in your reality by assuming the state of your wish fulfilled and living in the end and acting as if you already have your desire. Acting as if you are already the person you want to be. And this is perhaps the most tricky part of the entire manifestation process. But that's essentially how the entire universe works. The universe works on energetic principles. Everything is energy in the universe. So if you want to get something, you have to embody it energetically. You have to show the universe the blueprint of what you want to achieve in your reality. And you do this by becoming the energy you want to attract, by working yourself, by working on your mindset, by elevating your state of being in the present moment and elevating your vibration. So I just want you to understand that wishing and hoping and trying are those states of consciousness, are those states of being that will never give you your desired reality. Because whenever you wish for something, remember, 3D reality is your mirror. The universe is your mirror. So whenever you wish for something, the universe is just like, oh, you're wishing for it. So therefore, you're gonna keep wishing for it because this is what you're broadcasting, this like wishing energy. So you just get more of this wishing energy. Or you're trying to get something, you're just trying. So again, the reality, your mirror, will just reflect this trying to you. So you're gonna just like keep trying and keep trying and keep trying. Are you forcing something to happen? You're just trying to like force it to appear in your 3D reality. And forcing creates a lot of like resistance energy. And of course, you by forcing, you're just gonna get more forcing in your reality. So those states, they just don't allow you to manifest your desire. Same with hoping. You don't hope for something. Like whenever you just hope for something, you show the universe that you're just gonna keep hoping because you're in this hoping energy. So you're gonna keep hoping because the universe is going to mirror your energy. So essentially, reality is a mirror. The universe is a mirror, and that's why you have to be it to manifest it. Why? Because when you are it in every part of your being, whatever you want to manifest, if you are it, your 3D reality must reflect that. The universe must give you this reflection, because when you are it, you're no longer hoping for it. You're no longer wishing for it. You're no longer trying for it. You no longer try to force it. You feel like you already have it. You feel like you're already the person you want to be. You just put on this state of being, and everything in your reality aligns with this new state of being because you change your energy. And whenever you start broadcasting new energy into the universe has to reflect this new energetic state to you. Energy is the crucial principle of this universe, because I always tell you this, everything in this universe is made out of energy. This reality seems so tangible, but it's like not tangible at all, and you can mold it however you want, or you can shift it however you want, or you can create whatever you want. But in order to become the conscious creator of your reality, you first have to understand how to create your reality. And forcing and trying and wishing and hoping will never allow you to create your reality in an effortless way, because all of those states just create this unnecessary resistance. All of these states actually like broadcast this kind of like lower energy of not being in your wish fulfilled, of not you already being your highest self, you already being in your highest timeline. It's very, very important to understand that this like mirror principle of the universe is all about your energetic state. So when you broadcast the right type of energy, your entire reality just follows. Because essentially reality is just a reflection of what's going on in your energy field or what's going on inside you. So the moment you embody the energy of you being the person you want to be. Your reality just follows this energy, and the reality around you just rearranges itself in the most miraculous way. And this is when you get like all of these miraculous circumstances out of nowhere. This is when you get all of this like magical synchronicities out of nowhere. You get them out of nowhere because they just come as a natural byproduct of your new energetic state, of the natural byproduct of your state of being. So remember that reality is not tangible, and the moment you grasp that you create your reality from within is really when you start consciously designing your reality the way you want it. So think about, what do you want to manifest in your reality? Think about, what do you want from your reality, how your reality should look like, how your highest timeline should look like. And then ask yourself, is your current energetic state, is your current state of being supporting this manifestation? Is your current state of being will give you as a reflection this manifestation? Because if your current state of being, if your current energetic state is just full of like all of this like limiting beliefs and like low energy and like negativity and lag and resistance, that it's time to clean this up. It's time to go within and start addressing all of your limiting beliefs and start addressing all of your negative thinking patterns, so you can clear yourself inside, and thus you can get a better reality on the outside, because this inner cleanse will essentially give you a better reality, because you will let go of all of this trash, you will let go of all of this negativity. You will no longer be carrying it in your field, you will no longer allow it to take your reality. You will just willingly and lovingly let go of it and welcome new energy and welcome new beliefs and welcome new thoughts and welcome new feelings, because you are the only person who's thinking inside your mind. You are the only person who is inside you, who is feeling your emotions, who is thinking your thoughts, who is upholding certain beliefs. So you are the only person who can change those beliefs and those feelings, and you are the only person who can let go of them. So that's why it's so important to become aware of what's going on inside you, because unless you become aware of what's going on inside you, like how do you want to create your reality if a reality is a reflection of what's going on inside you? Then you have to first become aware of who you are on an inner level. Who you are on an inner level. What are your beliefs? What are your dominant thoughts? What are your dominant thinking patterns? What is your belief system about? Is your belief system supporting the life of your dreams? Or is your belief system preventing you from getting the life of your dreams? Are your dominant emotional patterns creating for you the reality of your dreams, or are they preventing you from getting the reality of your dreams? Because remember, emotion is energy in motion. So the better your emotions, the higher vibrational your emotions, the more positive your emotions, the better your overall reality. And actually being in the state of your wish fulfilled is what allows you to cultivate these emotions, and that's cultivate this energy. And it's this energy that creates this new reality for you. So address your emotions, address your thoughts, because your thoughts and emotions are connected. It's whether your thoughts create certain emotions or certain emotions create certain thoughts. So if you have those two like under control, if you have those two, like if you realize your dominant thinking patterns and your dominant feeling patterns, and you start just like adjusting them and aligning them with the reality of your dreams, then you basically like get a grip on your reality, get a grip on your life, because you got a grip on such an essential part of your inner world. And also, is your self-concept helping you to get the reality of your dreams, or do you just like perceive yourself as a person who's not worthy of receiving? Because if you perceive yourself as a bad person or a person who's not worthy of receiving something, then how can you receive something? If you want to manifest an abundant reality, but you perceive someone as a person who doesn't get money easy, then how do you want to get your abundant reality? If you want to manifest a reality full of love, but you perceive yourself as a person who's not worthy of love, then how do you want to get your desired reality, which is full of love? That's why I always say you have to be it to manifest it. You have to be love to manifest love. You have to be abundance to manifest abundance. And it's all about just this like inner realization that you already are worthy of these things. You deserve these things. Those things are your birthrights. Whatever you want to manifest is your birthright. And then when you start embodying the feelings of the person you want to become, when you start embodying the feelings of an abundant person, like how would your abundant self think? How would your abundant self just feel? What would your abundant self do? How would they perceive themselves? How would they perceive work? Like, ask yourself these questions. Ask yourself the questions of you in this reality. Like, how would this person behave? What would this person think? What would this person feel? And then embody the qualities of this person, because this is like the quickest way to get the reality of your dreams, because the more you embody the qualities of this person, the more you essentially broadcast this energy into the field, into the universe, and you have to get this reality as a result. So essentially, you have to be it to manifest it means you have to be this energy, you have to be this mindset, you have to be this belief system, you have to be this person in order to get the reality of this person, in order to get your dreamed reality. So you have to think like your highest version, you have to act like your highest version, you have to just on an inner level embody the qualities of your highest self in your desired reality. And this is when you get your reality. Remember, you never get your dream reality and your dream manifestations by wishing, hoping, trying, forcing. Like, these states won't give you your dreams. These states won't give you manifestations, because these states are just perpetuating lack and resistance in your reality, and you don't want that. You don't want that. You want to dwell in abundance, you want to dwell in happiness, you want to dwell in love and joy, because these are your birthrights. These are your birthrights. So you have the right to change your beliefs and establish a better belief system. You have the right to feel better feelings. You have the right to feel good. You have the right to create for yourself the reality of your dreams. And all you have to do is understand how the universal principles work. Because when you understand how the universal principles work, you can turn into this conscious designer of your reality. And you can start creating your reality by design and stop creating your reality by default. So remember that when you embody the qualities of the person who's already enjoying your manifestation, you will get your manifestation, because like this is the universal law. And once you align with your desired reality, you have to get your desired reality. Once you elevate your state of being, you just like elevate your entire reality. You become a magnet for all the wonderful opportunities and circumstances and synchronicities, because your energy is supporting you attracting and creating in your reality all of these wonderful positive things. So remember, be it to manifest it. Put on this identity, put on this state of being, and you will get any manifestation you want in your reality. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.